Did you know that if you brine your chicken with just some salt water, it will turn out a lot juicier? I'm going to give you 3 more tips that I've learned over the last 20 years working in the restaurant and catering business. Brining your chicken pulls moisture inside the chicken. You can easily add other seasonings as well. So we're going to add 2 tablespoons of salt. Add in some really hot water to dissolve the salt. Add cool water to the dissolved salt water. Add the chicken breast to the salt water for 12 to 24 hours. This is about boiling pasta. Once your water comes to a rolling boil, that's the time to add your salt. Why do you add salt? Salt adds flavor to the pasta. Zucchini has a high water content, so once you cut it open and you add a teaspoon of salt to each side, it'll draw out the moisture after 35 to 40 minutes. One more bonus pro tip. Drain off your pasta water, pour it in a bowl once it's drained, add in a little extra virgin olive oil, stir that around. Now your pasta won't stick. The reason I recommend this sometimes because we don't always use our pasta right away, or you could let this completely cool in the fridge and flash boil it the very next day.